What's going on, guys? I'm Brian, this is Ryan, and today we're going to be talking about our 4 free neck tag templates found on dtfscreenprinting.com. If you're running, a custom apparel shop or Etsy or any type of crafting type of side gig, one of the biggest trends right now is customizing your neck tags.
They're pretty sweet. Usually when you get them, order them around a 2x2 size, something close to that. And it really does just kind of elevate your look. It's not just I'm selling Gildan or Comfort Colors t-shirts with my branding on the front. You've got full cohesive branding across the whole garment. So it just kind of elevates that look a little bit. So it's pretty sweet.
On our website, dtfscreenprinting.com, we have 4 free neck tag templates that you can download right on our website. And then you can just customize them, whether you're customizing them in Photoshop, Illustrator, or whatever. Then you just apply them to your shirts.
Yeah.
Why don't we show them how it's done?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's break it down.
All right, so we got 2 of our custom neck tags right here, and of course, as you can see, has the extra small, the small. They come in all sizes, and you can customize these however you want when you download the PDF files. We'll cut one out for you, Ryan, if you want to get that stuff on the heat press.
Absolutely. Go ahead and rip out the terrible tag here.
That right there. Set that boy down.
I'm thrilled.
There you go. And just like everything, same time and temp. Temperature's at 340 just because we got the silicone on here, but same exact process as any normal DTF transfer.
Absolutely. Oh, smooth. And then of course,
Second press.
finish it off.
Yeah.
Hit it with the second press.
Give it a nice matte finish, really lock it in.
This right here is the easiest way to customize any custom apparel with your branding. Go ahead to our website, ninjatransfers.com. Get your free neck label templates. You can go ahead, customize the size, your brand name, any information you want to put there. Really help yourself stand out.